Hello viewers, this is Fox Fader with the FDUCE USB microphone review. I'm not going to overtalk this, I'm going to keep it simple so we can get this over with quickly. I caught this on Amazon on sale for around $30. It came with all the wind protection, the USB cord, shock mount, Velcro tie downs, and boom arm. The plug and play design got me going in no time. The audio you hear right now is from the FDUCE mic with zero effects or EQ. But right now I'm going to add a little bit of EQ to finish off this video. Good sound, metal construction, is made of metal, so it's got really good, really well constructed microphone, so it should last a really long time. The only thing I don't like about this microphone kit is the windscreen is really heavy and it tends to pull down on the boom arm, which is okay because you can just simply tighten down on the boom arm's little knob on the side and everything will be okay. All in all, I like this purchase. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the sound and the construction. There's a little mute button on the microphone, as you can see, and there's also a gain knob on the microphone as well. So would I buy another one of these microphones? Yes, I definitely would. I think it's a really good kit, and I do think I'm going to purchase another one for another studio room I have. So there you have it, the FDUCE USB microphone. Please press that like button and subscribe for more. Fox Fader, I'm out.